Welcome to another video on this channel. So guys, this video is about how you can get smartphones to sell without putting down any capital. Now what I mean by this is, in most cases, if you want to start a business or you even want to go in for product to sell, they'll ask you to make deposit. So let's say maybe you are asked to if you want to even buy phone cases to sell and you don't have the full money, definitely you are supposed to make some deposit before they'll give you the phone cases to sell. But I did that video and I explained that you can get smartphones to sell without putting any capital. All you need is your Ghana card. So I did 2 videos about this before, so I'll leave these 2 videos in the description below so you can go there and watch them, and then over there I did a full explanation. So guys, that one will take you a step-by-step process on how you can get some of these smartphones. So this video is just to give you how far the business is going, or how far I am personally or what is my experience so far by selling these phones. As I said in the first video, it's always about selling. So if you can sell, then you have no excuse. You can definitely do this to make some extra income for yourself. But if you can't sell, that's where the problem is. So guys, if you are someone who is interested, I believe if you start this, you can make some extra income for yourself, especially this time where the Christmas is approaching, stuff like that. You can make enough money for yourself to celebrate the Christmas or even invest in something else. So guys, when I started, this is how much I've made so far. This is not important for me to share how much I've made or how much I didn't make and stuff like that. I just feel like sharing this so that someone will be motivated to do this, especially if you don't have a job as at the time of watching this video. If you don't have a job, this is something that can help you so that at least the Christmas will be smooth. You know that now the price of everything is going up, so this is a serious side hustle for you, and this can also help you to make some income in case you don't have any job at all. So guys, so this is just how much I've made so far. So on the first day when I went in for the products and stuff like that, the first day I didn't make any sales, but the next day I made 93 Ghana cedis, so meaning I sold 2. Then they've given me a bonus of 15 Ghana cedis, so making 108 Ghana cedis. Okay, so the next day I went again and then I sold 1. Then the following day I went, I didn't sell anything, and then the following day again I advertised on social media and I made the sales of 129. So over there they'll give me more bonuses to add to whatever I've sold. So this is some of the strategies, or these are some of the strategies you can use. 1, you can take advantage of social media, take advantage of gg.com, Facebook, Instagram. Instead of posting pictures on social media just like that, you can use that to promote what you are selling so that people will buy and then you make some profit. Charlie, this is Christmas, so use more strategies or use ways that can help you make more money. If you didn't use ways to make more money, other people will use ways to make money from you, because all the adverts you are seeing online or on television, stuff like that, it's a way that people are using to make money from you. So you can also develop a strategy that can help you make money from other people as well. So guys, I've made a lot of money from this. Even as I said, I don't have to share everything over here. There are bonuses that will still come on, because I've sold numerous, or I've sold some number of the products, so I'll get more bonuses from there. So guys, this is something I recommend, that if you don't have a job right now, you can start and make some cool money for yourself. I just hope that someone from this channel will be selling or get something from this, so that I can also be proud and say that, or at least I've helped someone. Some people reach out to me and they've gone through the process already, and some are already selling, and which I'm very, very happy about. But if you are left out or you are not yet part of it, be sure to be part of it so that you can make some extra cash for yourself. I believe this video has been helpful to you. If you find this video helpful in any way, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell for more videos. Alright, so guys, as I said, I did 2 videos that explain every step that can help you get this business or this job. So if you're interested, I'll leave these 2 videos in the description inside, and then try and reach out to or watch these videos and see the next step to follow. If you want to email me, you can email me on updateandfinance@gmail.com so that we can have more conversation over there. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'm going to see you in my next video.